Hi, today I'll be unboxing the LED light strip. So this is the box that LED strips comes in. This is a pack of 2 LED strips. Alright, let us look and see what's inside. So there are 2 rolls of LED. It also comes with a user manual. So let us see what's inside the manual. The manual comes in 2 languages, English, and I think the other language looks like German. Alright, so this is the spool that LED strips comes on. At the end of it there's a connector where you can connect your DC supply. These strips use 12 volts DC. It also comes with additional connectors. So if you cut the strips, you can actually connect them and have a normal connection. So there are extra connectors that comes with the kit. So there are 2 connectors plus 2 extra connection clips. This LED strip comes with 300 LEDs on it. There's 3M tape on the back of these strips so that it can be easily mounted to any surface. So this strip is rated at 12 volts DC and its power consumption is 24 watts in total, and the strip has 300 LEDs on it. The entire length of the strip is 5 meters. This particular LED strip is daylight white, that's the color. The LEDs on the strips are the 3528. These are much larger than the others that I normally see on the market, and also these are much brighter. One other advantage of these larger LEDs is that they are able to withstand a higher temperature, so they won't burn out that easily. So I'm going to apply power to it. I'm using a 12 volts adapter to power it. So as you can see, the strip is working quite okay. So this is the end of the unboxing. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and remember to subscribe, and also check out my other videos on my channel. Thank you for watching.